Yoga and Ayurveda are the ancestral Indian care procedures, healthcare medicines, under which people were used to take the medicine as a preventive measure rather than as a curing measure. Prevention is better than cure for any disease. They believed, ancient Indians believed that prevention is better than cure, and medicines also should help to protect the good health of people and to have happy livelihood, happy life, and also to lead the healthy and happy, and also without to have happiness in their life with good health. Yoga and Ayurveda importance is well established in India in recent times. The importance of evidence based research in the case of yoga and Ayurveda, and these have stood the test of modern science. Both these medicines, both these medical practices, yoga and Ayurveda, have stood test of evidence based research, which applied. Both these practices has been successful in evidence based research of medicines. While yoga has been found to play an important role in treatment of breast cancer, syncope, heart diseases, sleep disorders, and problems faced by women, Ayurveda and traditional medicines have proven cures for several diseases. Not only prevention, both these medical practices, Ayurveda and yoga, have helped to cure many chronic diseases of human beings, especially heart problems and sleep disorders, and also problems faced by women in their life. Modern science, the most important aspect was evidence, while results were visible in traditional practices, and yoga, a major challenge was to prove their efficacy. Modern science believes the evidence. Though majority of the Indian health practices, especially yoga and Ayurveda, were lagging behind in evidence-based research. But now, after many practices, yoga has attained a major challenge was to prove the efficacy in the evidence-based research. Lack of evidence-based research in the context of our scriptures like yoga and Ayurveda has always been a challenge which has been part of Indian life for centuries. Results are visible, but evidence is not. Now, at present, medical science believes on evidence, but Indian medical practices like yoga and Ayurveda was not much supported by evidence, but recent applications of these medical practices, yoga and Ayurveda, has shown better results, and that resulted into the success of evidence-based research of these two medical practices. In the era of evidence-based medicine, yoga and Ayurveda are now standing up to the touchstone of tests of the modern era. Both these medical practices, yoga and Ayurveda, are capable to face the test of evidence-based research, and both these practices are successful in attaining the evidence. Some recent research where yoga was found to be very effective. Regular practice of yoga has reduced the risk of recurrence and death of breast cancer patients by 15%. It is scientifically proved that the yoga has reduced the risk of recurrence of many chronic diseases, including cancer, at least by 15%. That is the result shown with the implementation of yoga in the daily life. Center for Integrative Medicine and Research was established 6 years ago to validate India's traditional medical practices. Under this present government, the central government has established a Center for Integrative Medicine, Center for Integrative Medicine and Research was established 6 years back to validate India's traditional medical practices, so that the people will be benefited with prevention as well as cure, and cheaper also. The center is using the latest modern techniques and research methods and has also published 20 papers in reputed internationals about yoga and Ayurveda. The benefits of yoga for patients suffering from syncope, the benefits of yoga in many other ailments such as heart disease, depression, sleep disorders, and problems faced by women during pregnancy. Ayurveda and traditional medicines were meeting scientific standards and tests. Full credit should go to India's medical experts, scientists, and countrymen. We have eradicated diseases like smallpox, polio, and Guinea worm from India. These are success stories of India in medical science, and their ancient medical practices has to be recognized and also implemented with confidence because its success is established in the evidence-based research conducted by many organizations. Yoga and Ayurveda both are Indian traditional medical practices, and these practices are have successfully faced the evidence-based research and also tested to be implemented in practice and are successful in curing many diseases, preventing many diseases. Also, the center is using the latest modern techniques and research methods to upgrade, to make aware the importance of yoga and Ayurveda, for which the Center for Integrative Medicine and Research has published nearly 20 papers in international journals. These journals will constitute a bridge between the research and implementation. And even on this platform of research and implementation also, both this yoga and Ayurveda have been proved to be successful to be for being permitted to publish in 20 international reputed journals. So this is for India, for prevention and for better cure. Indians can rely, not only Indians, entire world can rely on the practice, on both medical practices of yoga and Ayurveda, which are preventive, curative, and cheaper also. But there is a rumor that both these treatments takes a longer time. The time should not be considered because the effectiveness of the treatment, result of the treatment will give better comfortness or happiness to the patients. So both these yoga and Ayurveda are one of the most powerful and useful medical practices applicable for entire humankind.